For me, social inclusion is about being social or excluded from having possibility to play an active role as a citizen in society. It's about not having access to an income. It's about not having access to education and training. It's about being disadvantaged due to age or wherever you happen to have been born, ethnic group, religious or sexual orientation, and etc. We at ETF believe very strongly that education and training can play a major role in helping to do away with part of the negative effects of such conditions. Especially, it's very important though not to think that education and training can do the trick on its own. That's why we want to focus on the necessity to join different partners together. The community organizations can't deal with the problem without taking account of the public institutions. The schools need to be involved, local authorities, employment services, the employers, the trade unions. Everyone needs to work together on this. John Donne said, "No man is an island entire of itself. Every man is a piece of the continent, a part of the main." For me, it is this statement, as part of a poem, really is the essence of what we want to say. Partners need to work together. No one can do this alone, and only by working together can society help the individual.